Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I am Muhammad Hassan and today we are going to explore and compare the whole Oud series of Rasasi Oud Al Boruzz. So I have actually this sample pack. So actually I ordered these two very nice sample packs back in 2016-17 and they were lying around and I thought that I should review them. Along with that, I also am going to review Atheer Cambodia. So that is their older version, 2016. I think it's difficult to find the bottle. It has been discontinued, but if you can find it, I'm going to also compare that one too. So we are going to compare Oud Al Boruzz series. So here we have, this is the sample pack. So I will show you the original bottles over here somewhere. You can see over here, this is the actual sample pack. It has 3 vials in it. Let's zoom into it like this. So these are like 1.5 ml and I have finished one of them, which is Asrar Indonesia. So I'm going to start with one of the best perfumes I think from Rasasi, which is Asrar Indonesia. So Asrar Indonesia is one of the best, mind-blowing. It has some calming effect. So if you are looking for perfumes that are sweet, rounded, very well balanced, that has a sleek presence and have some calming effect on your nerves, this is one of them. This is Asrar Indonesia from Rasasi. So let's see if it has some juice in it. No, I think it's emptied out. Okay, so in the start you might find some bergamot, or maybe just in the start you are going to have some orange peel or something like that, maybe bergamot. But after that, the most prominent thing, which is I think the essence of Asrar Indonesia, is its tea note. So if you drink a green tea or black tea, it has a very nice aroma of tea in it. It is the middle note. So after like 5 or 10 minutes, you are going to start smelling a tea note, very nice tea note, sweet tea, and it has maybe some dryness in the middle. And then the best part is its dry down. So right now what I'm sniffing is its dry down. By far what I have smelled till now, this is one of the best dry downs, just like the dry down of Creed Aventus. So I think this is most mesmerizing, very light, very uplifting, very calming, very airy kind of rounded sweet smell that is going to envelop your clothes once you have sprayed. So it is in the dry down, maybe 2 or 3 hours. It is very nice scent. I think for longevity or whatever you call it, it is not going to stay that long, maybe 3 to 5 hours max. I think, I'm not sure, maybe more, less than that. So these perfumes are not very powerful. So this is my review about Asrar Indonesia. This is one of my favorite. I'm going to purchase it soon, the full bottle. So that goes Asrar Indonesia. So next we are going to, let's grab this, Ruh Al Assam. So although it says Ruh Al Assam, this is also very amazing, really amazing. So this series, I think, I mostly don't like Rasasi perfumes, but this series is really well done. If you want to buy or purchase any of the Rasasi perfumes, I think you should go for Boruzz series. At least these Oud Al Boruzz series, this is really nice. So Ruh Al Assam, although Assam Oud is a bit funky, it has some animalic tones to it. I don't get animalic tone from this one. Let's try to spray it. I think it has some juice. So let's spray it to have some better comparison. This is really good. Yes, I think it has some oud in it. It's heavy, it's dense, it's resinous. It has some oud with some amber maybe, or maybe some florals, violet or something like that. This is really nice. I smelled it after a long time and really amazed by it. Ruh Al Assam, really woody, very nice composition, very balanced. It is almost, I think it has some oud, and oh my god, this is really great. I can't stop sniffing it. This is really good, but I think it is for mature people. This is a very balanced resonance, a bit dark, kind of woody, kind of woody scent that has some wetness, some resonance, some darkness to it, and it has some similarities with Oud Espahan, I think from Christian Dior. So that woodiness is also over here, but it is a lot better than Dior's Oud Espahan. Yes, it has a lot of similarity. Now the starting was very good, but now after some dry down, has some wetness, some sweetness, and some similarity to Dior's Oud Espahan. Very nicely blended, really nice. Ruh Al Assam. I think Ruh means the spirit of Assam. I don't think it has that much punch of Hindi oud, but I think it is there. So this is my review about Ruh Al Assam, resinous, wet, thick, and very well balanced. Maybe some florals in the background, mostly woody like Oud Espahan. And that is my review about Ruh Al Assam from Rasasi. Very well done, very well done. Really, these are really some great perfumes done by Rasasi. Okay, now we are going to start with Abeer Malaysia. Malaysian ouds are actually mostly in real life, they are mostly green on the herbal side. Sometimes they are very thick, resinous, they are very wet, very floral sometimes. So let's try to spray. Okay, so if you like tobacco sweet kind of perfumes that are not very high pitched or not very like tobacco oud or la yukavam, then this is what you should buy. This is Abeer Malaysia. It is tobacco-ish kind of woody scent. Let's spray it over here. I think this would be the last spray. The first spray is almost mind-blowing for all this whole series. It has wet tobacco. So most of the perfumes I have smelled for this tobacco direction, they are mostly dry. They don't have much wetness to them. They don't have much fruity blended into the tobacco. So right now it seems like the tobacco has been dyed with some fruit, dry fruits. Very nicely done, very nicely done. So this is going to be Abeer Malaysia, which is a tobacco kind of sweet perfume, which is really nicely done from Rasasi. So now it is going in the direction of La Yukwam. La Yukwam is more dry and more punchy. It is not that punchy, it is a bit like medium punchy kind of tobacco sweet woody perfume. So if you like something in the direction of tobacco, oud, or some maybe some fruits, dried fruits, this is a very nicely done perfume. I mostly don't like tobacco-ish kind of perfumes. I really hate them unless it is a green wet tobacco, which I have smelled in one of the Rai Muni's others. Nicely done. So none of these, this whole series, none of them actually feels like they have some chemicals or something like that. So last we are going to do Atheer Cambodia. So this is, I got the sample of this one, Atheer Cambodia. So Atheer Cambodia and let me show you Asrar Indonesia and Ruh Al Assam. These are going to be my favorite from this whole. The problem with Atheer Cambodia is actually it's lasting. So it is not going to last like some says it's last just 1 hour, 2 hours max. So the problem is with the new batches of Atheer Cambodia, because they say they put Cambodian oud oil in it, and I think it's a rare thing. Oud oils, they are not very they are not abundant in nature, so it is difficult to keep the quality of the perfume the same. Okay, so Atheer Cambodia is sweet. Raspberry is very prominent over here. It is airy. It doesn't seem to me a spicy scent. It is airy. It is sweet. It is raspberry. It is some woodiness at the background. Really well balanced. I really love this. I think it could be my everyday scent, or it could really suit women too. I think from all this series, if some woman wants to apply a perfume, they should try this one and Asrar Indonesia. Asrar Indonesia and Atheer Cambodia. If you are a woman and watching this, you can try any of these. These are really good. Asrar Indonesia, the dry down is really marvelous, really mesmerizing. And Atheer Cambodia is mainly sweet raspberry with some woodiness, and it almost stays the same. I have applied it many times, it almost stays the same. Dry down is a more woody raspberry kind of sweet direction. And this is my comparison of all Boruzz Oud series of Atheer Cambodia, Asrar Indonesia, Ruh Al Assam, and one was Abeer Malaysia. So if you are into perfumes, make sure you try these samples or get some samples from these or smell these one. I can vouch for Atheer Cambodia and Asrar Indonesia. I think Asrar Indonesia and these both of them are blind buys if you like these kind of scents. But still, I would say that you should try any of them. Maybe they have some longevity issues, lasting issues, but who cares? I think if perfume is going to last for 2 to 3 hours, 3 hours max, I think I am going to purchase that. If it is less than 3 hours, that would be maybe some problem. So this is my review about this whole series of Oud Al Boruzz from Rasasi. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe and share this video. We will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.